Welcome back in my channel with this 11 plus series. Before you watch this video, I suggest you to do the paper on your own. Download it, it's free, then work on it for only about 10 minutes. When you're ready, let's compare your answers with mine. Here we go! First question in test 5. Write the number 2202. So it's 222. What you need to think is just the position. It's 2000 and then 200, and then after 1000 it's 100, and after 100 should be tens, but we don't have tens. We go to the units. So 0 and 2. Then we read it as 2202. Let's go to second question. Which temperature is higher? Is it -5 or -10? If you just see the number 5 and 10, 10 looks higher, but you see it has minus. So -5 is higher than -10. Reason is -10 degrees Celsius is much colder than -5 degrees Celsius. So this one is colder, it's lower, and this one is higher. Now what about number 3? Will the answer of this number sentence be a note or even number? If you like to count the addition, you're very welcome, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just take a look at the units here. We have 3 and then we have 9. If you add just the units, you get 12, and 12 is an even number, so it should be even number. If you want to do a proper check, you can do that, of course, you're very welcome. So 42 and 29, if we add them together, we get this 12. As we did it before, you got 12, so 1 goes here, and then 1 add 4, it's 5, and then add 2, so you get 7. 72, and it's an even number, so still you get an even number. And then why did I do the first method, just adding the ones? Because we just need to determine whether it's odd or even numbers. This question doesn't ask you to do the addition. Okay, go straight to the next questions. Number 4, take 200 from 488. From 488, we take 200. So it's just taking away, just a normal computation. So it's 8, take away 0, it's 8. Again, 8 take away 0, and then 4 take away 2. 288. Actually, you don't have to do this calculation, this proper computation. You can just guess. Take 200 from 488. So you just take the 100. 4 by 2, it's 2, and the rest of the numbers you don't need to do anything because it's just 0 and 0, so you get this answer. Now number 5, which is closer to 276? Circle your answer. If you see the options, everything is hundreds. That means this question is about rounding numbers into the nearest hundred. So let's check the hundreds now. We have 200 and then something. 200 and something, so it must be between 200 and 300. Let's cross out everything. It's not 200 and 300. So we cross this out and we cross this out. We have only 2 options now. 200 or 300. Now let's see one by one, starting from the very back. On the place value, it's the units. If you see 6, 6 is a big number. We know 1, 2, 3, 4, they are called small numbers, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they're called big numbers. So big numbers goes up to 10, so we have 0 here, and then 1 goes to the front. If it goes to the front, then 1 and 7 makes 8, and you know 8 is also a big number, so 8 goes up to 10, so we have another 0 here and then 10 here. Now because this number 1 goes together with 2, then they together make 3, so it's 300. We get our answer, 300. Okay, we are at the next page, number 6. Which of the following is the Roman numeral for 25? Circle your answer. Well, 25. 20 is 10 and then 10 again. And then you have 5 here. So XXV, this one. Next question, 7. Write a fraction that is equal to 1. Well, to make a fraction equal to 1 is just pick any number and then divide with the same number. That would be 1. Because anything divided by the same number, that will be 1. So you can choose like 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, even 100 by 100. Those fractions are equal to 1. And you can choose any number you like, then put the same number at the bottom. That's it. What about 8? There were 3 or 4 classes in a school. Each class had 30 children. How many children were there in year 4? Well, if there are 3 classes, then you times it by 3, and then each class has 30 children, so you get 90 children altogether. Next question from this test. A pack of pencil costs 25p. Beth decides to buy 2 packs. How much change will she get from £1? Now, if the price is 25p, and then she buys 2 packs, so you times it by 2 and you'll get 50p. And then she pays with £1, so £1 take away 50p. You know that £1 is actually 100p, so 100p take away 50p and you get 50p. That's the answer. There's no answer field here, so let's just write it here. Now the last one. What fraction of the shape is shaded? Let's see how many boxes are pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say it's 5 shaded. It's 5 out of 6 boxes. So it's 5/6. Okay, we are done with this 10 minutes tryout. Why don't you put this new score on your chart? Any question, any feedback, please let me know in the comment field below. And help yourself with more practice papers, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye!